The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, tow hitch, stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, four-wheel ABS, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.